Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to our traveling wave, where we explore the beautiful city of Paris. Paris, the city of lights, the city of love, a place where dreams come alive, and every corner tells a story. Just whispering the name conjures up images of romance, beauty, and adventure. It's a city that promises unforgettable experiences. Paris is a city that captures the imagination and steals the heart. Every visit feels like a new chapter in a timeless love story. From its iconic landmarks to its charming cafes, Paris is a feast for the senses. The Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame, and quaint cafes all add to its allure. Cobblestone streets lead you through history, past charming boutiques and bustling cafes. Each step you take is a journey through time. The aroma of freshly baked bread fills the air, tempting you to indulge in a Parisian pastry. The taste of a warm croissant is simply irresistible. Street musicians serenade you with enchanting melodies. Their music adds a magical soundtrack to your Parisian adventure. Is a city best explored on foot, allowing you to soak in every sight, sound, and scent. Each street has its own unique charm. Stroll along the Seine River at sunset and watch the city lights twinkle to life. The reflections on the water create a mesmerizing scene. Enjoy a picnic lunch in the shadow of the Eiffel Tower. Savor the simple pleasures of life in this beautiful setting. Paris, weave its magic around you. Every moment here feels like a dream come true. The joy of simply being in this enchanting city. Your Parisian adventure awaits. Embrace the magic and let your heart be captivated. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Let's start our journey. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to its most iconic landmark, the Eiffel Tower. This iron giant dominates the city skyline, offering breathtaking views from its 3 levels, built in 1889. For the World's Fair, the tower was initially met with skepticism. Some Parisians even considered it an eyesore. Today, it's the symbol of Paris, welcoming millions of visitors each year. The elevator, or climb the stairs to the top. Enjoy panoramic views of the city. Spot other landmarks like the Arc de Triomphe and the Louvre Museum. Dine at the tower's restaurant for an unforgettable experience. Fun fact: the Eiffel Tower is painted with 60 tons of paint every 7 years to protect it from rust. Prepare to be amazed at the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most famous works of art. This vast museum houses a treasure trove of masterpieces spanning centuries, ancient Egyptian artifacts to Renaissance masterpieces. The Louvre has something for everyone. Marvel at the enigmatic smile of Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. Admire the beauty of the Venus de Milo, like Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. Awestruck by the sheer scale of the winged victory of Samothrace. Through the Louvre's galleries is a journey through art history. Give yourself plenty of time to explore. Focus on the collections that intrigue you most. Don't miss the museum's stunning architecture, including the iconic glass pyramid. Fun fact: the Louvre is the largest art museum in the world, covering an area larger than 21 football fields. Notre-Dame Cathedral is a testament to the architectural genius of the Middle Ages. This stunning cathedral, with its soaring towers and intricate stained glass windows, is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Located on the Ile de la Cité, Notre-Dame has witnessed centuries of Parisian history. It has been the backdrop for royal weddings, coronations, and other significant events. Step inside to admire the grandeur of the cathedral's interior, the soaring ceilings, the colorful light streaming through the stained glass windows, and the sense of peace and tranquility are sure to leave a lasting impression. Climb the towers for stunning views of the city and the Seine River. Fun fact: the cathedral's bells, including the famous Emmanuel Bell, have tolled for centuries, marking important moments in French history. Arc de Triomphe, celebrating triumph. Standing tall at the western end of the Champs-Élysées, the Arc de Triomphe is a symbol of French national pride and military victories. It was commissioned by Napoleon after his victory at Austerlitz in 1805, and its construction took over 30 years to complete. This imposing arch honors those who fought for France, particularly during the Napoleonic Wars. The names of all French victories and generals are inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces. Admire the intricate reliefs and sculptures that adorn the arch, depicting scenes of battles and triumphs. These detailed carvings tell the story of France's military history and its heroes. Climb to the top for panoramic views of Paris, including the 12 avenues that radiate out from the Place Charles de Gaulle like the spokes of a wheel. The view offers a unique perspective of the city's layout and its iconic landmarks. The Arc de Triomphe is particularly stunning at night, when it's illuminated, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The lights highlight its majestic architecture, making it a must-see sight in Paris. Witness the daily rekindling of the eternal flame at the tomb of the unknown soldier, a moving tribute to France's fallen soldiers. This ceremony has been held every evening since 1923, symbolizing the nation's respect and remembrance. Fun fact: the Arc de Triomphe is twice tall as Nelson's Column in London and inspired similar arches around the world. Its design has influenced many other triumphal arches, making it a global icon of victory and remembrance. Sacré-Cœur Basilica, Sacred Heart of Paris, perched atop the Butte Montmartre. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica stands as a beacon of hope and faith, overlooking the city of Paris. This stunning white basilica, distinctive Byzantine domes, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Step inside the basilica to admire its opulent interior, adorned with intricate mosaics and stained glass windows. The peaceful atmosphere provides a welcome respite from the bustling city below. Explore the charming neighborhood of Montmartre, known for its artistic heritage and bohemian vibe. Wander through its narrow streets, browse the artwork of street vendors, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of this unique Parisian district. Fun fact: the Sacré-Cœur Basilica is relatively new by Parisian standards, completed in 1914. It's a symbol of hope and resilience, built after the turmoil of the Franco-Prussian War. Palace of Versailles, royal grandeur. Venture beyond the city limits of Paris to discover the Palace of Versailles, a testament to the opulence and grandeur of the French monarchy. This iconic landmark stands as a symbol of absolute power and artistic achievement. This sprawling palace, once home to Louis XIV, the Sun King, is a masterpiece of French Baroque architecture. Its intricate designs and lavish decorations reflect the king's desire to showcase his wealth and influence. Explore the palace's lavishly decorated rooms, including the Hall of Mirrors, the king's state apartments, and the queen's bedchamber. Each room tells a story of royal life and the grandeur of the French court. Streets stroll through the palace's magnificent gardens, designed by the renowned landscape architect André Le Nôtre. These gardens are not just a visual delight, but also a testament to meticulous planning and artistic vision. Gardens are a masterpiece of formal French design, with perfectly manicured lawns, intricate parterres, and sparkling fountains. Every element is carefully crafted to create a harmonious and breathtaking landscape. Don't miss the musical fountain shows, a spectacle of water, music, and light that brings the gardens to life. These shows are a magical experience, enchanting visitors with their beauty and elegance. Fun fact: the Palace of Versailles has over 700 rooms, 2,000 windows, and is a marvel of architectural ingenuity. 1,250 fireplaces and 67 staircases. Each element of the palace contributes to its status as a symbol of royal extravagance and historical significance. Parisian charm beyond the landmarks. While Paris's landmarks are undoubtedly impressive, the true charm of the city lies in its everyday details. It's the little things that make Paris so magical. Enjoy a leisurely breakfast at a sidewalk cafe, sipping strong coffee and watching the city come alive. Browse the colorful stalls of a local market, stocking up on fresh produce, cheeses, and baguettes. Street stroll along the Seine River, enjoying the views and the lively atmosphere. Get lost in the charming streets of the Latin Quarter or the Marais district. Discover hidden courtyards, quaint bookshops, and charming boutiques. Immerse yourself in the atmosphere of a traditional Parisian bistro, enjoying a delicious meal and a fine French drink. Tips for your Parisian adventure. Ready to plan your Parisian adventure? Here are a few tips to make your trip unforgettable. Best time to visit: spring, April to May, and fall, September to October. Offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Getting around. Paris has an excellent public transportation system. The metro is efficient and easy to use. Consider purchasing a Paris Visit Pass for unlimited travel. Save money. Take advantage of free activities, such as visiting parks, exploring neighborhoods, and attending free museum days. Learn basic French. While many Parisians speak English, learning a few basic French phrases will enhance your experience and show respect for the local culture. Pack light. Paris is best explored on foot, so pack comfortable shoes and a light suitcase. Embrace the unexpected. Get lost in Paris. One of the best ways to experience Paris is to simply get lost in its enchanting streets. Wander without an agenda and let the city surprise you. Duck into a charming cafe for a coffee break. Browse the shelves of a used bookstore, searching for literary treasures. Street, stumble upon a hidden courtyard, a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Embrace the unexpected encounters and serendipitous moments that make Paris so special. Don't be afraid to stray from the beaten path and discover the hidden gems that await you. Paris awaits. Your journey begins now. Paris is calling. The City of Lights awaits, ready to enchant you with its beauty, romance, and timeless allure. Let the magic of Paris sweep you off your feet. Picture yourself strolling along the Champs-Élysées, enjoying a croissant at a sidewalk cafe, and marveling at the Mona Lisa. Imagine the feeling of climbing the Eiffel Tower, taking in breathtaking views of the city below. Your Parisian adventure awaits. Start planning your trip today, and let the magic of Paris unfold before your very eyes. And that concludes our tour of Paris. I hope you enjoyed this journey and found the tips helpful for your next adventure. Paris is a city full of beauty, art, and history, and it's definitely worth a visit. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is Traveling Wave. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.